Hello friends, this is Charujan. Welcome to my YouTube channel DPSE Learners. So in this video we will talk about speech on DUSSEHRA for online classes. The festival of DUSSEHRA is also known as by the name of Vijayadashmi. It falls during September-October. The great celebrations take place all over the country with great reverence. Prior to DUSSEHRA, people observe 9 days of fasting. People pray to Goddess Durga. The celebration is marked by Durga Puja in West Bengal and the traditional folk dance Garba and Dandiya in Gujarat. People are engrossed in prayers and worship Goddess Durga. After 9 days of prayer, on the 10th day, the celebration of DUSSEHRA is done with great reverence and joy. This festival is also known as Vijayadashmi. It is celebrated as the symbol of victory of good over evil. On this day, huge effigies of Ravan are set to the fire to symbolize the defeat of evil powers. On this very same day, Lord Rama defeated the demon King Ravan and freed his abducted wife from the evil clutches of the demon. Lord Rama freed the world from the atrocities of this evil demon. On this very same day, he defeated the evil powers and established the rule of righteousness. Prior to the battle with Ravan, Lord Rama worshipped Goddess Durga. Goddess Durga was greatly pleased with his prayers and Lord Rama with the boon of victory. Lord Rama defeated Ravan, and from the very same day the practice of celebrating DUSSEHRA began. From ancient time, the practice of celebrating DUSSEHRA is being followed all over India. People burn effigies filled with the fireworks and crackers. In West Bengal, the devotees who had installed the idols of Goddess Durga in their homes take out a huge procession to take the idol for immersion to nearby water bodies. The procession is taken with great dignity and people who are very much excited about this procession. The devotees who observe fast during the Navratri days give alms to the poor and needy on this day. Also, offerings are made to Brahmins to get their blessings. Ram Leela is organized in the nook and corner of the city. Fairs are held in different parts of the country. Vijayadashmi is also considered an auspicious day for worshipping the weapons. People perform Shastra Puja on this day and ask for strength from the Almighty. The festival is celebrated with great excitement all over the country, not only in India but abroad also. This festival is celebrated by the natives of Bangladesh and Nepal also. The NRIs, wherever they might be living, they celebrate this festival to keep the culture of their country alive. The temples are lighted up and the cities are bathed in a light. The entire country sparkles up on this day. On this festival of victory of good over evil, we should pledge that we will not do anything harmful to anyone, nor we will let anyone suffer due to the evils. Let's take a vow on this holy occasion that we will work for the benefit of the country as well as others and will abstain from all the vices. Thank you.